I'm the king. I am the king.
Today is a great day in the land of Ubala.
Yes.
Our king, Ome, wrestles for his throne and his crown. And the champion has come to challenge him. I hereby present to you Princess Demma.
Whatever voodoo you used on me the last time, I promise you, it will not work this time. Princess, remember, use what you've learned.
Listen, I am not here to play pranks with you. I am here to take what rightfully belongs to me. The throne of Ubala Kingdom belongs to me and I will take it.
Yes. And be ready to join your dead, wretched father. Get up! I'm the king! Get up! I'm the king! Get up, princess! Get up! Get up! Get up! You! I know you! What are you doing here?
You broke my vow. Now you have to amend it.
I owe you nothing. I did nothing to you. I have no business with you. Now get out!
You owe her a lot. And you must amend a vow now!
Yes!
the king. Where is she?
We lost her.
What? Why did you allow that idiot of a princess escape? Listen to me. I want you to go back there and come back with that princess. Do you hear me? Yes. Go now. I am the king. I am king. I am king. Ah!
Let's wait here, my princess.
Give me your gun.
Don't do that. Please.
You dey mad? This person kill my papa. Say give me your gun.
Calm down, my princess. See, more guards will come this way if they notice the absence of those two. Please, let's just...
That won't concern their papa. I won't go finish Ome right now. Give me the gun.
You cannot do that. He is more prepared than you are.
What did they do this one? Don't you dey ma free and may go.
That's not what I'm saying, my princess. Listen, we will leave this community, we'll go and re-strategize and then come back. That's the only way we can win. Trust me on this.
Okay, give me the gun. Give me a bit. Give me the gun. Give me the gun now. What did they do you? Give me the gun, they're mad.
Who's there?
Yes! What's you? Who goes?
If you move, your head will touch ground. Better pin where you did.
What think you gonna do door? The morale to merchandise to this armor. Yes, wanna be Spider-Man?
Please, we mean no harm. This is Princess Danga of Obala Kingdom. We are running away from a tyrant. And until we are ready enough to go back to our kingdom, please, all we seek is shelter. I beg of you.
What did they do? You did sell us out.
He deserves to know the truth.
Why you go know the truth? What they consign him?
Princess, please. Please.
Same be princess. Make I use and go find work. I make I use and so rapper. A Bobby. Will you tell your Erema? Say before I count 2, make him drop that away. ASAP!
And then they drop this guy, they mad. If I try, I might die.
My princess, please. Please, put it down.
What did they do you?
Please, I beg of you. Please, sorry, we will surrender. Please. Please, don't. My princess, please. Please, put it down. Please.
Get Jones!
We mean no harm. We need help. Please. Please. We have surrendered. All we need is shelter. Please.
Répétez, where on a from?
Obala Kingdom.
Oh no! You get up.
I want you to pick up this crown and this totem and crown me. Do it now! Are you mad? Do you want me to put a bullet on your head? Crown me king now. Else, both you and your entire family will join your ancestors tonight.
Kneel.
Are you mad? Are you crazy? Crown this thing, are you mad? Put it on your neck!
By the power vested on me as the Onowu of Fubala Kingdom, the kingmaker of Fubala Kingdom, I hereby crown you Igweme I of Fubala Kingdom. This is your staff of authority and sovereignty.
Give me that. Go back on your knees. Today marks the end of an old era and the beginning of a new era. Obala has found himself a ruler worthy to sit on the throne of Fubala Kingdom. This calls for celebration. Now all three of you will go home and get me one of your daughters to grace my bed for the next 3 days. This is my declaration, and so shall it be.
What do we do? Who will save us from the hands of this tyrant king, Ome?
Problem. By the way, what about the princess? Where has she gone to now we needed her the most? I heard she fled with Ebube. Excuse me? Yes, with the help of Ebube. She fled? Yes. Instead of her to stand up for the people of this kingdom, all she could do is to run away. I thought she's fearless, a tigress.
Ishie, let us look for an alternative. Let us look for an alternative. Else, we will go in. We will suffer it the most.
As for me, I cannot release my daughter for that wicked man, that evil man, just for his pleasure. No.
I think. Uche. Huh? I thought that by now you will start reasoning like an adult.
I'm not reasoning.
A pleasure that cannot take up to 24 hours. Have you thought about the lives of your family? Ishe, do not allow your emotions to get the best of you. Do all you can to save this head. Very important.
Ichie, you want to die?
That is where he's going.
Well, the gods will help us out. The gods will save me.
No, Papa. I will never do such a thing. Mamia.
Amara, listen to me. This man is a wicked man. King Ome is a wicked man. He killed his brother, the king. And now he has taken over the rulership of this kingdom. If we don't obey him, he will wipe off our family.
Papa, that's his own cup of palm wine. You are the Onuwajhe of this kingdom. You deserve some respect. How can you even concur to this? Can you, Maggie? I will not, oh, Papa. I'm sorry, but I can't. You see, this is my body. This my body is for my husband. And he cannot go against my rule. He cannot rule over my body or do the possible. It's not possible.
Amaranwam, your rules are meaningless before him. Eh? Consider your life. Your brother's life. And mine.
Papa, I cannot. I can't. If he needs a wife, he should go elsewhere and look for a wife or whatever. Okay, Papa, pick up good mark and nap.
Igwe, this is my daughter. I present to you. Igwe, do to her as you will. Ichore taya ofuma. Mamne nwere ogologo mwaga. Aniliwe bukole ebu. Biko, komoto onye do ogologo tie ha. Good night. Igwe.
Ichago, you have done well. You have truly displayed a very maximum intelligence and wisdom. The red cap on your head truly befits you. You have done well. Take her to my chambers and prepare her for me.
Now move. Move it this way. This way.
Move.
I am Chief Ide Okaramadu Okaramwa Agadagba Chiruzo 1 of Agbaro Kingdom. You are welcome to my home. I hear you came from afar. I mean, it's an honor for me to host a royal guest.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. In the event that you need more or anything at all, ask my chief combatant, Didier. He will attend to you. Okay. I will give you a listening ear when you're done with your food. We have a lot to talk about. Okay. Yeah. I think that should wait till tomorrow morning because you need to rest. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
What are you fighting for? Why are you like this?
Why are you crying? I've been looking for you. Why are you crying now? Talk to me. I've been looking for you. Why are you crying?
It's Papa. Papa said that Ome wants me to grace his bed for a night.
May the gods forbid. That evil man that killed the king, today he wants your body. Why would Papa even agree to this rubbish?
I don't know. Papa said it's Ome's demand. And if I fail to comply to this, he will kill every one of us.
That can never be possible. May thunder strike him there.
Amen.
He can't touch you. Stop crying, okay? Stop crying.
I don't know. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I'm so worried and scared. I don't want him to kill us.
Not when I'm alive. He can't touch you. Not when I'm living in this house. Never. Sorry, eh? What kind of an evil man is this? Don't cry, okay? Papa, what is this that I'm hearing? Well, I don't care the business you have with King Ome. It's none of my business, but he's not having my sister's body, and that's fine now.
I can see both of you are fools. How do you intend to fight a king? Amade, that is suicide. Amara, give him what he wants. Bear the pain for a while, and it will be over.
Papa, how can you say this? You think it's easy? It is not easy. King Ome is not my husband, and I've been keeping this body for my husband. He can never have me, oh. Never, and that's final.
So you prefer we perish because of you?
Papa, nobody is perishing. That king is not having my sister, and that's fine now. I've told you, he's not having my sister.
Papa, go and tell him he's not going to have me, oh.
I don't know whether he has given you bribe or what. Why are you acting this way, Papa? Let's go.
He will not have me, and that's final.
Don't worry.
Oh, me. I think I have heard that name. He fought with one of the strongest men in this kingdom, and he won the match. That man is a very powerful man.
I don't care. I don't want to know. He must pay for what he did. I'll kill his body. Not just his body, I will enslave his spirit. He will never know rest wherever he is. He might go day.
Well, I am sorry for your loss. Okay? Please, don't hesitate to ask for help whenever you need any from us. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Sir, I really appreciate you've tried for me. God bless you, sir.
It's all right. I beg to take my leave.
The battle line is drawn. Battle, I'm not gonna cease fire.
Will you make a Facebook you two aside?
Why?
I may be a chokoro, small motor big engine. Me now why? I just want Facebook I'm outside. Make we see two aside.
Okay, Facebook me the thing now. You they can't go anywhere.
Me now why I won't make him identify himself to me because as I the Facebook you, Bobby, I believe, say you no believe. So you get us your position in there.
Guy, you're punk you. You need to go anywhere. What in this up? I said, clear me the gist.
Who are you now? I mean, they follow the Caprison.
It's okay, princess. It's alright. Let me hear what you have to say.
Bobby, we'll see two aside. No more.
It's okay. It's alright, princess. Let me hear what you have to say.
Call or I'm gonna tell you something. No more.
Sorry, my daughter, come, please. Please, come. Sorry. What I did it for us. If not, that man would have killed us. Somebody who killed his own brother, his own blood brother, to ascend the throne. Other people now often kufu. I'm telling you, he doesn't care for anybody. All he needs is to... I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Just to save our lives. Please. You know I cannot hurt you. Okay?
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Ah! Hey, something has happened though. Oh no! Today is a black day for the people of Ugala Kingdom.
Black?
Yes.
What happened?
Icheagu is gone.
What happened to him?
He hung himself on a tree this morning.
Abomination.
I certainly believe he must have committed suicide.
What would have prompted him to do that?
Amamu, I don't know. Let us go to his compound. Maybe we will get more information about his death.
Hold for me, let me dress.
Do quick. Hey! Hey! Yeah.
What are you doing here? I'm supposed to join them for training.
Train with who? Didier?
See, that man is a skillful fighter. I have seen his work. You said us leaving Ugbala is to strategize. I think this is the best strategy.
You want to go toe to toe With Ome?
Yes. I want to look him eye to eye. I want to make him understand that he will rot in hell. I am not afraid of him. I'm going there. I don't know about you.
In that case, I'm coming with you.
My princess.
How far now?
My princess.
Yes.
Princess.
Yes.
What are you doing here?
I want train. I want join Una.
Yes! Where you? Manipu. Carry this Serema merchandise from this Ama. Man, Bogide for this Ama they train. We need to do baby something. And they cap you my inner chester. Damn me.
What did they do this one? The Yano Pata. Okay, because say man not come out all your 32 teeth, then make you they cap dust. Abi, put body now, women mount. No, put body. Your mind go there, maddest.
You're not ready for this.
You sure? I'll like show and something, one or two. You feel me?
That
May
is the
collect.
case, then you start with me.
That person. Let's go, my nigga.
But you're not fighting me. You're learning the basics.
Yes.
To protect yourself. All right. Protect yourself. All right. Yeah. Go.
Tell you say I go do something.
Princess, come on.
I go show you something.
Bring it on.
Yes. Let's go.
Onowu, you are needed in the presence of the king.
What have I done wrong this time?
You don't need to ask me what you have done. When you get there, you find out. Now move it. What are you still staring at? Move it! Move it! Move it! Move!
Other chiefs have presented their daughters to me, but I'm yet to see yours. Is there a reason for that?
Your Highness, she will come. It's just that she's busy with some stuff. Besides, you know we lost one of our Ishia.
I don't care who was lost or found or no. All I want is your daughter in my bed. I am running out of patience or no.
I'm sorry, my king.
Well then, if your daughter is acting too busy for me, then I'll make it easy for her. I will make her less busy for myself.
I don't understand, my king.
You will understand soon enough. I'll go.
Guidance.
Okay, no.
Sorry.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Sit. You asked to see me.
Yes, sir. Sir, you said whenever I need your help that I should not fail to let you know. I need your help now, sir.
Yes, I remember I said that. So, what do you want?
Sir, I need your chief combatant, Didier, to be my special trainer. I want him to train me. I am ready to succumb to any form of training he wants to give to me. Whatever he wants to implement to make me a better fighter, I am ready for it. I need all the skills I can get to defeat that bastard called Ome.
Didier. Well, what you ask is an easy one to grant, but certainly a tough one to withstand. Do you have the stomach for it?
Sir, the man that killed my father is breathing freely, walking about freely, terrorizing the people. I need all the strength I can get to destroy him, to eliminate him from the surface of this earth. I need to kill him.
In that case, your request is granted.
Thank you, sir.
The battle line
Thank you, sir.
is drawn. Battle, I'm not gonna cease fire. I must win this battle. Giving up is never an option. I must win.
Mama, you really need to come with me. You cannot be in this kingdom. Huh? Please, I beg of you. Come with me to the neighboring community where the princess and I are hiding our heads. At least until everything dies down.
Hey, my son, you worry too much. This is my home, and I can never leave my home. Don't worry, I'll be fine. Oh?
Mama, you do not understand. That evil man, Ome, might wake up one day and decide to enslave everybody in this community. Or even slaughter them all. What are you going to do? Mama, tell me, when it gets to that, what are you going to do? Please, consider coming with me.
Whatever the situation may be here, my home remains my home, and I will never flee from it. I will never, and my ways are fine now. The only good thing you will do for me is to make sure you take care of the princess. Because it is your mandate. As for me, never you worry about me. The gods of our land must definitely take care of me. Oh, go ahead and eat your food.
Mama, I don't like this. I don't like this. Mama, I don't understand this one. You really need to consider coming with me. I beg of you.
I am not going anywhere. I will remain here.
Are you okay?
No.
Is Papa back yet?
No. This is so unusual. Huh? And I'm worried.
Someone told him that he saw the guards escort him to the palace.
Huh?
Yes. I must visit the palace. I want to be sure that Papa is okay.
Okay, but please be careful. Eh?
I will.
Come and eat before you leave.
Mm.
Come and eat. And don't even argue with me because open your paper.
This young man demands to see you.
To what do I owe this visit?
My father left the house early this morning. He specifically told me he was coming to the palace. And up till now, I can't find him.
Where is your sister?
What do you mean, where is my sister? I'm asking of my father, you're telling me about my sister. What does asking about my father has to do with my sister? Please, where is my father?
You have a big mouth for a man. Bring me your sister and I will release your father.
So you imprisoned my father because of my sister? Why would you even do that? What has the old man done to you?
Harun, you're an out. Move it! I said move it! Out! Out! Get out!
Where are you coming from?
I went for morning exercise.
You didn't sleep in this compound last night.
I did. I just didn't sleep. I was up all night thinking about everything that has happened.
Anyways, I have training to attend to. Get me my boots.
Anna Princess.
No! What is happening?
Papa, help me! Help me, the pain is too much!
My daughter, hold on. Relax. Wait. Let me rush and call the herbalist. Let me go and call the herbalist.
Papa, help me!
Hey! Let me go, let me bring you. I'm coming. Yeah? Wait. Hey! I'm coming back now!
Papa! You are yet to say a word to me. Ever since you returned from the palace, you've been this way. You haven't said a word to me about your discussion with the king. What happened? Did you find Papa?
Amara.
Yes.
That bastard king is holding Papa captive.
Huh?
He has bluntly refused to release Papa, except he gets his hands on you.
No. Hey, I'm confused. What are we going to do? Are you sure he hasn't hurt Papa yet?
At this point, I'm very confused. And I don't even know the exact location he's keeping Papa in the palace.
So, how are you going to rescue Papa now? What do we do?
Amara, at this point, I'm so confused. I don't even know what to do. I don't even know where to start from.
That king is evil. I am certain he will die of doing evil. I promise him. He should not worry. When he will need help, he will find no help. I pray nothing happens to Papa. I am not going to let him touch me. He will not have me. Never.
Take it. Wait.
They have some giving her will stop the bleeding. Yes, it will not continue anymore.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks the gods.
I knew you will always be of great help to us. Thank you very much.
Thanks the gods.
Hola.
Please,
you okay?
Eva, can I see you?
Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
Ishe, can you tell me the truth? What happened to your daughter? When did this bleeding start? Who touched her?
I don't know. Who touched her as how?
From what I'm seeing there, your daughter was forcefully abused. And the abuse has caused her a severe damage. I doubt if she will survive it.
But you said she will be okay.
I only say that to give her hope.
Yeah.
Yes, Iche. But the truth remains that abuse is a critical one.
My daughter. My daughter. Hey, thank God. You are better now. Hola. 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 Hey! 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 Chineke! Hola! Hola, don't do this to me, please. Please come back. Ah! Hola! Oh! 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 Hola! Ah! Hey! Ome! Hi! Hola! Ome, you have finished me. You have finished me. You have finished me! Hey! Where do I go from here? No. Hola! Wake up! Hola! Ah! Ome! 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 You have finally gotten what you want. Huh? You've taken the only gift I have in this world. Open this door. Come out. If you can fight, come out. Come out. Fight with me. Oh, come out. Come out. Coward. Coward. Come out. Come out. Fight. I'm waiting for you. If you have that mind, come out. Hey. Stop that. Step back. Huh? Step back. Step back. Drop the cutlass. Drop it. Get out. Out. I said run. Eh? Get out! Say run, get out of here.
Princess, we go down to the basics. Use what you've learned against him. Fight! Enough! We go again. Remember, Princess, what you've learned against him. Emotions is psychological. Okay? Fight! That's enough for today. We'll go again tomorrow. Eze, you have more training to do.
Thank God. You don't say why they find this opportunity where I go take deck in face. You go cry!
You see that opportunity, make I know why.
Princess.
Amadi! 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 Amadi!
Who is that? Who is that? Why are you screaming my name, Amadi?
Amadi, your sister.
My what?
Your sister. She was taken away by the palace guard on her way back.
You mean the police guard took my sister?
Yes, on our way back.
Somebody must die today. Let's go.
Ome!
guy is that? Where's your king? Ome! 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 Release my father and my sister now!
And what if I don't? What will you do about it?
Ome, listen to me. The fact that you're a king does not give you the right to treat people like slaves. You are not untouchable. You are flesh and blood, just like me.
Well, why don't you come closer and find out yourself if indeed I am untouchable?
Ome, don't make me come close to you. You won't like what I'll do to your face.
Join me and laugh at him.
Ome, you.
Have you now confirmed that I am indeed untouchable? Well, gentlemen,
Your Highness.
I have no interest in this young man. You both can have him. Feast on him.
Master!
Yeah. What have you people done to him? Huh?
Next time, you will learn not to challenge the king before us again.
That your king is a beast. That crown, he doesn't deserve it. One day, his nemesis will come and he will never escape it.
Shut up! Old fool! Enjoy your new company now. Let's go.
Can anyone hear me? Somebody help me! Hello! Get out of my way! Get out of my way! Now!
A tough one. I like it.
You're an animal. A beast. I will never let you have me. Never!
No. I am your king. Everything and everyone in the entire Wala kingdom belongs to me.
Lies. I am not yours. Tamara is not yours, and I will never let you have me.
Watch your tongue, young lady. I have the upper hand here. Your brother and your father will suffer gravely if you do not stop being a pain in my balls.
You do not know who my brother is. He will come for you, I promise you, and you will have nowhere to run.
No, come off it. Your brother already booked a room in the palace cell alongside your wretched father. Now, be a good girl, lie down on this bed, and please your king.
Help! Help! Somebody help me! Can anyone hear me? Help!
Lay down and please your king.
Do not come close to me! Help! 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 Don't touch me! Oh, don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Lay down!
Leave me alone! Leave me! Help me!
Listen, please. You can shout all you want, but I promise you, no one will come for you. Nobody will save you. Now lay down.
I'm a virgin. Don't touch me.
You are a virgin.
Yes, I'm a virgin.
That is absolutely wonderful.
Please, wait.
You are going to give it to me anyhow I want it.
Please, wait.
Madam.
Please. I'm a virgin. I'm not
Absolutely wonderful.
Daughter.
Father, please forgive me. I failed you. I failed to save you. I disappointed myself. I failed to save your legacy. Forgive me, Father. I plead with you. Please. Father, please forgive me. So sorry. I should have done.
My princess, is everything alright?
Everything can't be okay. My father is not happy with me. I disappointed my king. I disappointed people of Ugwala and I disappointed myself. I must redeem my father's legacy tonight.
My princess, you cannot do that. Please. My princess, wait! You cannot do this! My princess! My princess! This is suicidal!
It's better I die as a hero than die as a coward.
Princess, where to?
I have an unfinished business.
My princess. Princess. Princess, if you're thinking of staging a fight with Ome, you will fail woefully.
They see what you they cause. No, you see what you they cause. And I don't really see me finish for this place. Don't worry. By this time tomorrow, the news of his death go reach you now.
I don't have a problem if you want to go and fight your enemy. But first, there are conditions.
Which is?
Fight me. If you win, I'll send my troops to go with you. But if you fail, you'll go back and continue with your training.
You didn't whine me. Bring it on.
Are you courageous enough to accept it?
Let's go. I'm ready.
Come on. Look at you. Look at you. Princess. See? You're not ready for this. Going for revenge now will just end up killing you, so there'll be no meaning you dead than alive. Go to your room!
Come here!
Stand there. Stand there.
No.
Your Highness.
Look how fat you have grown. I can see my guards have been taking good care of you, feeding you well and accommodating you well.
Your Highness, please. Please, release my son. I don't mind remaining in your prison, but let my son go.
Your son is a threat to the throne. He committed treason and he must be treated as a criminal that he is. Listen, OnuwajE, I did not bring you here to discuss your son's treason. I brought you out to this place to discuss something more joyous.
Joyous? What is it exactly?
Your daughter. You see, OnuwajE, among all the maidens that I have tasted, your daughter seemed to be the best. On that note, I want to make her my wife, and we need your blessing.
I hope she's okay.
Your daughter lives in the palace, OnuwajE. Of course she's okay. Listen, I want you to go home now and prepare the list for the traditional rites of your daughter's marriage. Go home now and prepare everything and get back to me.
What about my son?
No, don't test me. Don't test me. Just go home and do what I ask you to do. Ago.
Your Highness.
Go and get his cap and his shoes and all his nonsense.
Sure, Your Highness.
Have it. Move.
What are you fighting for? Why are you like this?
It's urgent, please. Wait, I'm not going to show you where. You tell your compass now. That's, you know, get sense. Why they knock like that? You know Jones?
No, I want to see Chief, I beg.
You want to see Chief? On whose compass?
It's urgent. Please.
Please.
I just want to see Chief. I just want to see Chief.
You want to see Chief? On which compass?
Abonifo.
Which compass?
Abonifo. He attacked my men and I at the farm. I just escaped with my life. Hey. Please take him to Chief. Abonifo. He attacked my men and I at the farm. I escaped with my life. Please.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. I can't lie to you.
Wait. Abonifo, he get to the other door. He get the morale. Attack on her. He said if you soft like bread. Now he attack you and you won't.
I run.
So what do you do?
I run.
You don't put up for body?
I see my contact Chief.
You run, lie, run for here, they make noise. Come on, march, follow me. Josie man. I'm going to go attack you.
What?
Chief, you sent for me.
Agbonifo struck again. This time, a serious low blow. Prepare your men for war. He has drawn the battle line over my land. He will dance to the music of war.
War he seeks, Chief. And blood he should get.
Go!
The battle line is drawn. Battle, I'm not gonna cease fire. I must win this battle. Giving up is never an option. I must win this battle. Giving up is never an option. I must take back what belongs to me. Giving up is never an option. It's not a crime to fight for what belongs to me. Giving up is never an option. Giving up is never an option. Giving up is never an option. I'm now a warrior and fighter.
You want to do what?
Join them in their fight.
My princess, that fight is not ours. Allow them fight their fight.
Ebube, what's your problem? Make I fight my fight, you no agree. Okay, let me fight other people's fight. You still do not want to conquer. Am I a child? See, ma, clear you. The revenge in my body, the anger boiling inside of me cannot waste. Oh, somebody needs to bear the consequence. I cannot continue to live like this. I must fight.
My princess, you will fight at the right time. My princess, that fight is not our fight. I'm just trying to look out for you. If anything should happen to you, the hope of Obala Kingdom will be cut short, my princess.
Nothing will happen. I have been training on a daily basis. I have been improving on myself. I have lots of energy within me. All this cannot waste. Somebody needs to use his head to carry it. I must fight.
My princess, you will have your time to fight. Not just now. You have your time to fight. Our fight is waiting for us and you will fight. I promise you that. But not this one. Please, my princess. I won't allow you to go. You're our only hope. Please, my princess.
Let go! I said let go! Lie there! You little brat! You think you can end a strong man like me? You have failed. You lie. I'm going to teach you a lesson that you will not forget in a hurry. If you make a move, if you make a move, I am your king. I am your king. I'm dying, honey. Don't even.
I watched my daughter bleed to death. She bled. Because I single-handedly hand her over to the lion to be eaten. Hey! I have lost everything. Everything. What else? What else than? What else than this my meaningless life?
Hey!
It's
okay. Calm down. Calm down. Let me tell you. There's no powerful man on earth that has no flaw or weakness. I promise you, I must be on the lookout. I'll find a man stronger than Ome who will bring him down. This is a promise, not a threat. It's a promise.
Oh no. You have to do that too. You have to do it. Ah! My only daughter.
The deed has been done. Forget about it.
Everything is gone. Hey! Chineke.
August visitor. To what do I owe this August visit my house?
We were meant to believe that your men attacked our men on our farm.
And what exactly were your farmers doing in my farmland at Ugene?
That farm at Ugene does not belong to you.
Ina,
It belongs to Chief Ide.
I know nothing of such. That land belongs to me. You and your little boys. You still far off. Yes.
Princess!
Bye, relax, sir. What do you want to do? To attack me? Agbonifu in my own compound? Who the hell do you think you are? Now, all of you should leave my compound or I'll feed your flesh to my dogs. Now leave my premises now. Get out!
You know, sir, I like as you dey stubborn. People like you, they satisfy my cravings. You will cry.
My friend, go away.
Chief, there's a big problem.
What is it?
The children, they have been freed and the watch guards murdered, all of them.
What? Who?
By who? Chief, I suspect Chief Ide's men. Yes.
Under my nose, they came to my house and committed this havoc. They have made the greatest mistake of their life. Now, gather your men. Immediately, go after them because they haven't gone far.
All right, Chief.
Do it. Nonsense. He's a fool. Can you imagine the rubbish? Useless boys. I'll deal with them. Nonsense.
Abanifo!
Diet! Get morale. The capricious say merchandise for your Amalina. Mandela like me, they call you, no be choice.
Who are you?
I dey Facebook you that day. I dey Facebook you, no be choice. Now listen, make I tell you, I believe you don't get the hands. You don't get the hands. Say, what? Your men, they don't buy a man.
By who?
All of them don't buy.
By who?
Yes. Come on, diet. Abanifo, this is the end of the road for you. Come on, march, men lap aside. Say, march! Come on, march, merchandise. Who goes you? I not tell you.
Not because of this you are having.
I not tell you.
Let's go. Open up. Come on.
Please. Tell Chief Ide, I will forfeit the land. I don't need any more, please. Just leave me alone. Let me have my peace, please. Forgive me. Please.
I tell you, say, I like as you stubborn. Say you dey satisfy my cravings. But I never belle full. You see your mind go dey, you go cry.
Please, tell Chief Ide, I will forfeit the land for him. I don't need it, please. Please.
Please. Your fate will be decided by Chief Ude when we get there.
Bring him to the car.
I'll forfeit the land. I don't need the land. I have nothing to do with the land. Please, spare my life. Give me a second chance. Even if you don't want me to live in the community again, I will leave the community for you. Just spare my life. Give me a second chance, please, Chief. I'm begging you. Please.
After a series of warnings that fell on deaf ears, you want a second chance.
Yes, please.
You murdered innocent workers trying to fend for their families. You kidnapped children of families, causing pains to their parents and loved ones. And you didn't think much about it. And now, you are asking for a second chance.
Yes, please. A second chance. Please.
This marks your end.
No, please. Don't do that. Spare my life. Please.
Take his body and dump it in the street. Well, I have to thank you for helping my boys out on this one. It means a lot.
Chief, you don't say what a fine person when you go use head carry the fire when they my body. I mean, suppose they thank you.
Are you satisfied?
Satisfaction don't bash. I never even start. But if they hungry now to just blast person here like this, but the person here fall, they whine.
Good. All right, that's the spirit. This marks the beginning of your training. Have some rest. I have a job for you.
Which kind of job be that?
The kind that will unleash the anger in you.
The battle line is drawn. Battle, I'm not gonna cease fire. I must win this battle. Giving up is
anybody there? Please help me. Is anybody there? Please help me. Hello?
Hey, shut up your mouth there. You are disturbing the peace of this palace.
Please help me, brother. Please, I beg you, help me, please. Please.
You are very stupid.
Please help me, please.
You are very stupid. So you can actually beg. Yet you had the guts to attack our king.
Very sorry.
You will die here.
Give me the food.
I don't want to eat this.
Listen, if I hear your voice again, I will tape your mouth.
Nonsense.
Did you hear that? If you hear your voice again, you will pep your mouth. If you like it, if you like, stay hungry. Oh no, the king asks us to present these gifts to you for giving your daughter to him for a wife. And also he wishes you visit the palace to complete the bride price payment and every other process involved in it. Give him the goods. Do have a nice day, Onowu. Come with me.
My only brother is locked up in this palace. I don't even know where he is. Do you know where he is? Mama.
Yes, baby.
Listen. I know you are scared. But please trust me. I really need to know. Do you know where my brother is? Can you help me? Is he okay?
My queen, there's a particular prisoner locked at the backyard. The guard do take food to him once in a while.
So, has he eaten today? Is he okay? Should I give him water to drink?
I think so, my queen.
Okay, back. Thank you. You can go.
Thank you.
Yes. Oh, God.
Oh no. Welcome. Sit. Well, you can see how beautiful and gorgeous your daughter has become living with me. Something she could not achieve with you. You should be grateful. I strongly believe you came here with a list. I have seen your list. And I want to assure you that everything on that list will be fully paid. This is 700,000 naira. And I believe it will take care of everything on that list. You can as well keep the change. You see what I am talking about? That is tears of joy. She has been elevated from poverty and wretchedness into an unending wealth. I'm the queen of Obala Kingdom.
Father.
My daughter, my princess.
Father, is this you or are my eyes deceiving me?
This is my flesh and blood. I miss you, my princess.
Father, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I couldn't save you. Please forgive me. I swear this time around, I will not let it happen again. I will not disappoint you again. Forgive me, please.
I believe you. I know you won't. Come.
Are you okay?
Fine.
Thank God, I was worried. Thank God you are okay.
Amara, what happened to you? You changed. You look different.
Yes, it's a long story. I got married to the king.
What? You mean father agreed to this?
He had no choice. But don't worry, I've got this. I'll figure a way to get you out of this place. I promise. I'll do something now that I'm married to the king. Okay? I have to go now. I don't want the king to see me.
Please don't go. Just stay a little while, please.
I'm sorry. I'll come back. I promise you. Brother Captain, you have me now. I am all you want, right? So let him go.
I will do no such thing.
Why? What has he done to you that you cannot forgive him?
Your brother attacked me. A crime punishable by death. He's only alive because of you. And it is best he stays that way.
Why are you so mean? Why is your heart full of wickedness and bitterness? Why are you from the dark place? Do you want him to die there?
Your brother will grow old in that cell. He will perish there. You should be grateful I am this merciful to him.
Is this what you call mercy? Is it?
It is what it is. I'll go. Get out!
I heard you scream last night. It appears your enemy keeps haunting you, even in your sleep.
Now in time, make you enjoy, but it won't last. You said you have a job for me. What is it about?
Spider. That is what he is called. He's a drug pusher. He has influenced a lot of people in this kingdom into taking drugs, both young and old. Young boys, young girls. He has virtually ruined the lives of so many teenagers in this kingdom. I need you to get him.
Sir, this kind of work be like waiting police suppose handle.
You know the police in this part of the country are more interested in their pockets instead of fighting crime. So I need you to get him and bring him to me.
Who is accompanying me?
Unfortunately, all my boys are occupied doing one assignment or the other right now. So I need you to go solo on this. Tell me, are you in or out?
I be you.
My boss.
Now you Sparrow send.
Yeah.
You sure?
Na me now. I'm going to take charge.
If you carry this market.
Na small thing now. I do them every day.
You do your eye. But make I tell you, see waiting day here. No be small children matter.
You don't want to call it now. Sabi.
You feel me?
Yes, boss.
Show your mind day.
My mind.
If anything happen to this market, now your life. Okay, what did I tell you?
Anything may happen to this market in my life.
Put on to you.
I'll show you, boss.
Let's charge.
Hey, what the hey!
What you for?
You shouldn't have assigned her alone on that mission. You know, Spider is too dangerous. And this is suicide.
Oh, come on. She will thrive.
Chief, she is still undergoing training. And yes, she has a long way to go.
This is the best for her to learn. Do not underestimate the power of will and pain. It can push a man to the greatest limits.
What's in there? Chief, with due respect, Chief, this your caprison no end at all. No, nah. You reason am na, check and balance am na. As you send them now making lap that manchi, and you know say that manchi get a CB, you know, he lap am now then knock him overboard. It was them blue and short, knock him overboard. What you go to cap here now? See me now, I'll talk about position for you. Now me for send to lap that manchi. Any I want them, go put up for body with now. You don't believe me? When that happen here now?
Oh, Chokoro. Are you doubting my ability to make good judgment?
King, I am not here to play Musori. Go down!
Come here! Get up! Up!
What do you wait for? No be Canadian hand. Wait me. Make I go join my mama. Give me. What do you wait?
You know, I suppose waste you now. But I need you alive. They
That
feel
one a
me.
mistake. What you go make? Fight me. I challenge you, fight me. As you know, for your husband house. Why not fight me?
They challenge you.
Yes. Fight me.
Bring it on.
Oh, go on. Sure.
Get up! Fight me! Get up! Up!
Princess, Lokoto this maniple make you merchandise with her. Freestyler.
This is the idiot you requested for.
Good.
Any more bastard, put call on the bed. Men mount now.
I'm impressed.
I told you.
Don't ever underestimate the power of will and pain. Treat his fuck up. Up! Up!
Move it! Hey!
I'm surprised you went on this mission without me. You should have told me. I swore an oath with your father to protect the royal household by all means. But with this kind of decisions, it makes it difficult for me to carry out my duties.
Last, I go dey alright. Not dey worry yourself.
Oh, Princess, look at your face. With this kind of injury, it's obvious that it's a dangerous mission. But Princess, all I ask you is to tag me along. Tag me, I cannot protect you from a distance. Please.
You never reach to cry now. You don't do.
Thank you, my princess.
So, when you go tell me the place where you dey go every night?
Whose food is this?
It's for the king's personal guards.
Oh, that's nice. Is that not my phone ringing?
It is, my friend.
Please go up to my chamber and get the phone.
How are you? What do you people get today? Indomie. Indomie. The food look like you. Yeah, collect. I look like you see it. My test and press.
I am getting you out of this place now.
How? What are the guards?
Stand up, let's go. They are sleeping. They can't do anything right now. Let's go.
Go to where? What about the guards?
The guards?
Yes.
They can't do anything right now. Let's go before they wake up. Let's go.
Are you sure about this?
I am sure.
After you.
No, you. Wait. After me.
Okay.
Come.
Go on. Don't stop now. Oh, come on. Come out.
Come out now.
Aren't you smart? Of course you are smart. Very smart. But like I always tell you, I will always be 10 steps ahead of you.
You want me. You want me, right? Now you have me. Please let my brother go, please.
I showed you mercy. But you took my mercy for granted. I promise you today, you will never see him again.
No!
Step back. Step back.
Ome, please. Ome, please. Please, he's my only brother.
Oh, yeah. Come on.
Please.
Ome!
Please, my brother now. Come on. Ome, please. Please, He's my brother. He's my only brother. Bikonu. Bikonu is my only. Please have mercy, Biko, please. Ome, please. Please, Bikonu, please. Please, I'm begging you. Please have mercy, please. Please have mercy. I'm here. You have me. One name, Biko, please. Please, I'm begging you. Please have mercy. Have mercy. Have mercy, Biko. Have mercy. Tell them to leave me.
I am here now.
Thank you.
But why do you always stress me out?
But my head.
Why do you always stress me out? You know I do not like to be stressed out.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
This is okay. It's okay, don't scream.
I'm sorry.
I want you to cry on my shoulder. It is good to cry. Sometimes you just have to let it out. Now you're going to cry on my shoulder. And definitely not here. We'll go to my bedroom. I want you to lead the way.
I don't care. I do not care.
Look at me. Read my lips. Your life and the life of your entire family are in my palm.
Do whatever and whenever I want.
There's nothing you and your wretched family can do about it.
Why? Ome, why do you hate my family so much? Why are you mean to my family? What have we done to you?
Because I own you.
You don't own me.
I own you.
You don't own me.
I own you.
I own your father. I own your brother. I own your entire lineage.
I'm warning you for the last time. Leave me alone. I am done with this whole thing. I am done with your madness. Leave me alone.
You are going to make me happy now. You are going to give me your best.
The very best that you have from the depths of your honeypot down there.
You are mad. Ome, you are mad. You are crazy. I am done with this one nonsense. Leave me alone. I am done. Leave me alone.
Lie down. What's wrong with you? I am talking and you're talking. I'm going to teach you a lesson.
I am lying down. I'm lying down. I'm lying down.
I said open it right now. Open it wide.
It's open.
Open it up.
It's open.
I own you. I own your entire family. I'm king. Say it with your mouth.
You are king. You are king. You are king. Yes. Yes.
Spread it wide for me.
Mama? Mama, where are you?
Ha! Adunne! You're welcome, my son.
Thank because you are okay. Are you okay? You are fine, right?
I'm fine. Why the panic?
No, I saw a guard when I was coming in now. I thought maybe they came to make trouble.
Oh no. He came to deliver a message.
A message? What business do you have with the palace?
Ebube. The message is not important now. You're lucky you came. Ha! You're very lucky. I'm preparing something special at the backyard. Go inside, relax and exercise some patience. I'll be back soon.
Mama.
There is nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong. Go inside and relax.
Okay. If you say so.
Yeah.
Oh, say so.
What did I do wrong?
You have done nothing wrong. The king wants to have a word with you.
Move! You have no right to question my orders. My friend, get into this car! Get into this car!
Who is it? What did I do? Wait for me! I'm getting...
You know she's not ready for this fight. If she challenges Ome, she will die and you know it.
The princess is not the type that backs down from anything. No matter what we say or do, she will not stop fighting. But we can always help her to survive.
How? Even if she survives, what's the point fighting an already lost battle?
There is always the need for failure. When you fail, you learn. Don't you ever forget that.
It will never be well with you. It will never be well with your generation. As you have chosen to be a he-goat, you will remain a he-goat. Even a widow like me. You chose to live. King Omar said shall never be well with you. It shall never be well with your generation. Your descendant is forever cursed. Your descendant is forever cursed. Hey! Hey!
Be royalty is a privilege, you know, God. Not by merit at all. So be careful of the fire you light up.
Oh no, you cannot be alive and be witnessing this abomination going on in our land. Here Lorenzo, this abomination will be happening to Ubala. Oh no, today I was abducted and molested by that viper. Not minding I'm still on my morning dress. Oh no. Hi! Our guests, our children, our daughters, they are not safe. We the women, we are not safe either. And when our sons rise to fight, they are subjected to suffering. Oh no, we can hear them. Oh no, what is happening? You cannot be alive and this will be happening to us. You cannot be alive and we will be experiencing all this.
Agnes.
Hi.
Agnes, please. I wish I can help. But as it is, my hands are tied. There's nothing I can do. Listen, go home. Relax. I think at the due time, something will be done.
The king's maker's hands tied. Hey! Yabula mire you guys. Mire ni kapala yo. Mire ni kapala yo na nambala. Mire ni kapala yo. Mire ni kapala yo. That's my man.
Hey! Stop there. Where you come from?
No place of interest, my princess.
And this is what they do, now make I dey vex sometimes. They make me they hate you. But if they pepper me, and they ask you say where you go, they say no place of interest. You they mad.
I'm sorry, my princess. I went to see my mother.
Why you go come out from this place without my consent? For waiting?
I had no choice. Knowing that she's in the same village with that madman parading himself as king. I didn't have any choice, my princess. I had to go and take care of her as well. I'm sorry.
Okay, what if person see you now? Or person can't trace you, come this place, cause here with the hide. Your brain not tell you say you supposed to think. You not use your brain, Abi.
I always calculate my movements, my princess. I can assure you no one followed me here. I'm certain of that.
Okay. Now you go enter that Ugbala kingdom officially. You get message, I want to make you help me pass, give person for me.
Message? To who exactly?
Ome.
Ome?
Oh, Minikoro. Oh, Minikoro. Oh, Minikoro. I offer thee this sacrifice, that you may grant my request.
Yeah.
Your hands up.
Don't move.
How come you are still alive?
That's a very stupid question to ask. Is Ome in? I have a message for him.
You will address the king properly.
He is no king of mine. Is he in or not? I have a message from Princess Danga.
Princess Danga.
You heard me. Don't move. Stay here.
I'll be back.
Don't move.
We have an unwanted visitor. He said he has a message for you from Princess Danga.
A message from Princess Danga.
Yes, Your Highness.
Let him in.
Right, Your Highness.
Move it. Any silly move, I shoot you. Move it.
You. I know you. So you and that brat of a princess survived. I'm impressed.
I have a message for you.
What is this? A wrestling contest from the princess. So she has finally gone mad.
Do you accept or not?
I, Igwe Mekanyejiofo, one of Obala Kingdom. I ended the reign of her father. So erasing her would be a completion of my quest once ago. I accept it. My darling, are you leaving already?
Yes, I will.
Well then, I will send my guards to take you home safe.
Thank you, Igwe.
And what are you still doing in my palace? Take him out of my presence.
Move it now.
Mama, I knew something was fishy the day I saw those guys walk out of this compound. What is wrong with you? Mama, I'm ashamed of you. How could you stoop so low, Mama?
Why are you accusing me wrongly? I mean, why are you accusing me wrongly? I didn't do anything wrong. I just joined in cleaning up the palace. And you are here twisting all the narratives. What did I do wrong? What is wrong with you?
Mama, how many people call their workers darlings? How many people address their workers as darlings, Mama? That useless man, Ome, addressed you as darling. And you sit here to tell me that there is nothing going on between both of you. Mama?
You should ask the king and not me. Look, Ebube, if this is why you came here, it is better you go back to wherever you're coming from. Because I don't have this strength. I don't have the strength.
Is this what you have to say, Mama? Is this what you have to say? Mama? No problem. We shall see. I swear to God, if I confirm this to be true, I will kill that beast myself. Imagine me making out with my mother. Ah! I don't even want to imagine it.
If truly your Mile run that shit with Umi, that means that she fuck up big time. Sure? She get nonsense with this.
I will confirm things myself. I will confirm things myself, and I pray to God this assumption of mine is not true. Because if it is true, blood will flow. Blood will flow.
Oh. Anyways, he accept my challenge?
Yes, he did.
Correct. Now me say that bastard end don't near.
The battle line is drawn.
Get it, my son.
Battle, I'm not gonna cease fire.
What is this for?
This is me officially accepting you as my husband. Also, making up for all this time.
Thank you.
Just like that. So easy. I did it. I did it.
Ishe, you are so excited. What good news have you brought this time?
A good one this time around. Good news. Princess Dima. She's alive.
I said
it. She's returning to this kingdom. You know, the good part of it is that she is coming in to challenge Ome on a wrestling contest for the throne.
Ishe, Biko. Where do you get this news from?
Look at you. It's everywhere in the village. Everywhere. A date has already been fixed for the contest. Hey, finally. Oh no. Liberation has come. Hi. Oh no. Why are you not happy?
Ishe, I'm happy. But my doubt is, how does the princess intend to defeat the strongest man in this village, King Ome? What if she loses? Have you thought of what will happen to both of us?
I prefer to be optimistic on this. Yes. But then, I believe the gods. And I pray that the gods will support her and make sure she comes out victorious. That is my prayers. And that is what you should pray too.
What the man?
Let's pray for her. I will not. I now want to go and tell others that have not heard about this good news, so that they can pray with us.
Let's see how it goes.
It has to go well with that. Hey, now we get money. Okay now.
are you shocked? Did you see a ghost?
No. It's nothing. I am sorry.
I know exactly what you did. I told you. 10,000 of you cannot bring me down. Your destiny is already in my palm. And there is no way out of it. Except you die.
I'm not sure the princess will be able to defeat Ome. Otakago. Yes. That is his name. The undefeated fighter. It's better I go to him. Because we need a skillful fighter who will take Ome. You will take him down. I don't think the princess will be able to handle him. I need to go now. There's no point wasting time.
Be royalty is a privilege, you know, not by merit at all. So be careful, the fire you light up, we consume it one day. Be royalty is a privilege, not by merit. This light you light up, we consume it one day. Aginika naza, aginike jiribu amadu, aginika naza, aginike jiribu amadu. What are you fighting for? Aginika naza. Why are you like this? Aginike jiribu amadu. You are killing people. Aginika naza. Abuni maramancha. Aginike jiribu amadu.
Hey, gods of our land, what are we going to do? Eh? Otakago of all people is not fit to fight Ome. Otakago's health is bad. Gods of our land. Gods of our land. Come and help us. Because at this point, we don't know where to go. Hey!
What are you doing in my house?
I have no business with you. As you can see, the king is inside there enjoying himself with your mother.
Hey!
You! I know you. You again! This time around, I will have your head.
Mama, you are a disgrace. You lied to my face when I asked you if you had anything going on with this monster.
Please spare him. He's my son.
This is interesting. He's your son.
Yes, please don't harm him.
Ome, I'm not afraid of you. Your end is near.
I have heard that 1,000 times. Boy. You should count yourself lucky. You should count yourself lucky that you have a very juicy honeypot for a mother.
I'll kill you myself! I'll kill you myself! I'll kill you myself! I'll kill you myself! Permit me to shoot this guy! I got the day you get back to me! Ah! Ah! This ends today! This ends today! Homer! Quiet! Go quiet! Quiet! Homer! Homer, come out here! Homer! Homer! Quiet! Quiet! Homer! I'll end you myself! Homer!
Please, if you should spare my son. Please, this is my only son. This is my only son, please, I beg of you. Let him be.
I spared your life the last time. And this is how you chose to repay me. Ichaka.
Highness.
Make sure this doesn't repeat itself.
It's not true. Leave my son alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Mama! Mama! Ah! Mama! Mama! Help me! Mama! 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 Help me! Help! Mama!
Thank you, Ominikoro. I have received that which I requested. I am indeed very grateful. Thank you, great one. Kneel. This battle you have chosen is a very big one. But you will come out victorious. In the name of the gods.
You say...
Pick the bead and wear it on your waist. The gods will protect you.
You say...
Stand.
Thank you, Chief, for standing in the gap as my father. May the gods bless you.
Go and conquer. Go!
Why are you not preparing?
I have no reason to.
Do not get on my nerves today. Your presence is needed not just as the queen of this kingdom, but as my biggest supporter. Now get up and go to your chambers and dress your best.
I don't want to go there. I do not support you. Can I have my peace now, please?
I do not care about your stupid support. Your presence is essential as the queen of this kingdom. And if you make me repeat myself, I'm going to smash your head against that wall near you. What is the meaning of this nonsense? Why invade my palace?
You have been exercising your negative powers on the less privileged people. Today, you will know the true meaning of power. You will test my venom today.
A man as powerful as your father could not do anything to me. And you think that you can defeat me?
What is she?
The battle line is drawn. Battle, I'm not gonna cease fire.
Woman! Oh man! This is Afai woman. What did you? Afai Afai woman. Imesigo tata. Ofawona. Imesigo ofawona. You killed my daughter. My own child. Mbano. Mba.
I did no such thing. That witch of a princess killed my wife, and you must hold her responsible.
Lie! Lie! I saw you, everyone saw you commanding the thunder from the sky. And you killed her.
Get your fingers off me.
You killed my daughter.
Take this man out of this place.
You have experienced the wrath of Ome. He is not an ordinary man. He is being protected by a dark spirit. Therefore, you need to be more fortified.
Who be that? Who they call my name?
I am here.
Who you be? Why they call my name?
You seek vengeance, and I seek the same. We both want the head of Igbo Mekanaya. And that can only be possible if we work as one.
I don't understand.
This is where I was buried. Find it, and you shall have your heart desire.
Who be this one again? Find my grave and you'll get what you desire.
You shouldn't be out here. You should be resting.
Resting as how? With what is going on? That man is not an ordinary man. I know it in my eyes see. My eyes see two conjured thunder jam together strike me. Now by the grace of God I survive and my father don't die. There's no time to rest. I'm going to seek for help.
Where are you heading to now?
I'm going to get help. I'm going to a place where only me go fit enter. And right now, help don't they call me. See, you have to trust me. I know what I did do. Trust me.
I trust you. Here. Go with the car.
Thank you.
Princess, be safe.
Thank you.
You have questions. Yes, I know. And I shall reveal the answer to your questions. Open your palms. Death has done me very worst. Taking you away, my love. As I lay you to rest, my husband, and I promise you today, I'll be faithful to be worthy of your love after life. After life, I'll come joining you. I promise. I swear, by the great deity, Ogbome. My husband, I miss you. I miss you. I miss you.
That is one hell of a meal for me. Go.
Please, you cannot do this. I'm a widow. I've entangled my body and sold my late husband. And this will ruin my vow, please.
Your vow means nothing. Noise in the air. A dead man cannot enjoy the flesh of the living. The husband holds no sand. So, I can have you anytime I want and nothing will happen.
Please, something will happen. Oh, promise my witness, please. Don't let me go. Please, my kid, please. Oh, please, my kid, please, my kid, please. Please, don't let me go, please. Please, please, my kid. Have mercy on me, please. Please, my kid, please. Oh, woman. You allowed this thing to happen to me. You allowed this calamity to befall me. I'll never see my husband again in great beyond. Because of that wicked man. I curse him today. Just the way I'm going to end the sorrow. Sorrow, humiliation, and agony shall be his portion. Oh, woman, this is very worse! Arise and fight for me! I'm gonna fight for me! I'm gonna fight for You have seen my truth. I have returned to end the life of Umi. His life is the only key that can unlock what was sealed. His life will undo what was done. And I shall be welcomed into my husband's warmth embrace. Please, I need your help.
I don't understand. Why you not enter the palace go buy Umi yourself? Why do you need my assistance?
You have seen the wrath of Umi. He's well protected by the dark spirit. I can only harm him in a human form. My spirit is useless before him.
Wait, so in other words, you need my body to buy him?
Yes, I need your body.
Hey. Anyways, I hope say you go return the body after the whole war, after everything is over.
I have no reason to stay.
I'm going to enter.
You're pouring me water.
It's Amadio. He will not let me be.
Papa, I know you forgot that today is Amara's birthday.
Chineke, is it today?
Ah, really, Papa?
Papa, you see, emotional damage.
I'm sorry, it's just that I have a lot of activities. going on in my thoughts. It's early, or is it too late for me to get birthday gift for my angel?
Oh, Papa.
Thank God for adding a new year to your life. I pray that every good thing you desire will come to you.
Amen.
And a good man will ask your hand in marriage. Yes.
Amen.
And that marriage will be blessed.
Amen.
Until I come back. When I come, we'll celebrate together.
Okay, Papa.
But Amadi, don't play too much.
Papa, tell him, tell him. Look at you. What are you even doing? You cannot buy me just a common gift. Yeah, yeah. Spray me water, Panda.
Shut up.
Papa, you look at your son.
Come on, go inside.
I am the undisputed. I cannot be ridiculed before the entire people of Ubala. My honor must be restored. That little brat came into this kingdom, my kingdom, disgracing me before everyone. Oh, I will not let that slide. I will correct every error that has been made. I, Igwome, demand a rematch. This fight is not over, princess, until I strip off everything that has to do with you. This fight is far from over.
Battle, I'm not gonna cease fire. I must win this battle. Giving up is never an option. I must win this battle. Giving up is never an option. I must take back what belongs to me. Giving up is never an option. It's not a crime to fight.
My princess, I was told you left this compound last night. Where did you go?
Help called me. I go answer him.
Help? What kind of help?
The kind of help that will eliminate Ume for good.
Oh.
I'm exhausted. Going inside.
Chief, is everything okay?
Who could ever imagine that the princess, just a female, will knock King Ome down just like that?
Yes, so the princess really do better job that place. Even me, I don't even believe herself.
You see the way she did the way give that King Ome.
Even me, I dey even fear make the blow no touch me.
Bro, sleepless nights don't end.
I tell you.
No more pain. I need to go my maternal home. Make I go carry my bags. Why I been carry go that side now?
Even myself, I don't been there. Even they run. If I run, I'll come back. Based on this man, wait.
The bead around your waist was what protected you against the mystical blow of Ome. I knew it would come to that.
How?
I know Ome to be a very diabolical man. He's very, very powerful. As a matter of fact, he has killed several men in the wrestling ring. And that was why you needed the shield. Because I knew only your fighting skills will not be able to help you.
You have this information about Ume and you hid it away from me?
If you knew, what would you have done? Back out? The waste bead has helped you to learn the strength of your enemy. At least now you know what you're up against.
I struck a deal with the spirit of the dead widow. Together, we shall bring him down.
I knew this. I thought as much. So, hand back the waste bead. It has finished its purpose.
What if I still have use for it?
I wouldn't ask for it if you still have use for it.
No! Stay dressed. Leave me alone. I need to get out of here.
Get him. I said, get up from there, my friend. Get up! Get up from there. Hey! Hey! Stop that! Stop it, my boy! Stop it! Stop it now! Stop it or I shoot you! I said stop it! Get up! Get up now! Hey, you. Get back. Now, move. Where are you taking me? Move it. Move! Move it!
I will end you. Get out. I will end you all.
Move! Move!
I will end you all. I will end you all. Very soon. End you all.
Go! Bastard!
Leave me alone.
Get out! On your knees. Bring it down. Go down. Bring it down. Go down. Bastard.
Your presence disgusts me. You killed your own mother. You're a disgrace.
I don't fear you, Ome. You took away the only person that matters to me, my mother. I will not rest until I kill you. I promise you that, Ome.
Help me laugh. Help me laugh. And you think that I, the Womaker age or four, will slumber knowing the fact that you and that spoiled brat are still alive out there? Huh? I will wipe all of you out of the surface of the earth. This time around, a total cleansing. Omeka needs a rematch. I want a rematch. Take this message to your princess. Tell her that I said that I want a rematch. Break his shoulder.
Sure, Your Highness. I'm not afraid of you, man.
Ome, I will end you. I promise you that, Ome. As long as I live, I will end you, Ome. I will end you. Move it.
What happened to you?
How do you do this thing?
I
have a message for my princess.
What happened to you? Why you dey messed up like this? Who do you this thing?
She know the person. Ome wants a rematch.
When?
Finally, a rematch will come again. It is good. It is necessary. Finally, I told them. So finally, a rematch is necessary. Yes. Finally, we'll know the winner of the match. But yes, before I will proceed, let me go and join them to set the arena. But I hope there will be a palm line, because I cannot go alone and come back like that. Instead of that, I will cause problem there.
Rakwandana Inkayadaba. Rakwandana Inkayadaba. Rakwandana Inkayadaba. Rakwandana Inkayadaba.
I'm the king. I am the king.
Today is a great day in the land of Ubala.
Yes.
Our king, Ome, wrestles for his throne and his crown. And the champion has come to challenge him. I hereby present to you Princess Demma.
Whatever voodoo you used on me the last time, I promise you, it will not work this time.
Princess, remember, use what you've learned.
Listen, I am not here to play pranks with you. I am here to take what rightfully belongs to me. The throne of Ubala Kingdom belongs to me and I will take it.
Yes. And be ready to join your dead, wretched father. Get up! I'm the king! Get up! I'm the king! Get up, princess! Get up! You! I know you! What are you doing here?
You broke my vow. Now you have to amend it.
I owe you nothing. I did nothing to you. I have no business with you. Now get out!
You owe her a lot. And you must amend a vow now!
Yes!
Hey! Get up and fight.
I'm the king.
What are you fighting for? Why are you like this? You are killing people.
Thank you for allowing me to use your body to defeat me. Thank you.
Thank you for helping me secure the throne. I'm grateful.
I will see you in the afterlife.
That you are rich is up to God.
Get off with this last.
What happened? Listen, that useless King Ome will never disturb anybody from this kingdom again. His reign has come to an end. Let us go. Let us go!
So I can finally see you.
Huh? Papa, I'm fine. Papa, I'm fine.
I thank the gods. So we finally get to see. Huh?
Yes, Papa.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, Papa, I'm fine. Well, listen. Where is my sister? Where is Amara? That is the most important thing right now. Is my Amara too, Papa? Where is she?
I'm sorry. Amara is no more.
Papa! What do you mean Amara is no more?
Don't worry. Let's go home first. Let's go home. Huh? Let's go. Huh?
Papa, where's Amara?
I'm sorry.
Papa, where's my sister?
It is with great pleasure and with so much joy and gladness I, ONUWAJE, the kingmaker of Obala Kingdom, I crown you, Demma, the acting ruler of Obala Kingdom, until you get us a husband who will rule alongside with you.
He says...
Behold, the staff of authority and sovereignty by which you rule our kingdom. Long live your majesty. You may rise.
Your Majesty, come on. Where will I put my hand in my pocket in your presence? Your Majesty, I am glad that you finally got what is rightfully yours. And I am honored to have been your host all this while.
Chifide.
Yes.
I am indebted to you for life. Thank you for everything.
Come on. The pleasure is all mine, okay? Your Majesty, I would like to take my leave.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Didier, you're leaving just like that?
Your Majesty, you are king now and I'm not worthy to speak to you directly.
Come, if not, please stop Amo. What is wrong with you?
It is true, Your Majesty. I honor your crown.
Didier, thank you for everything. I will never take you for granted in this life. I appreciate you.
I was only doing my job.
You were only doing your job. Really? Is that what it is?
Yeah, I did it because I wanted to. I did it because you deserve all of this.
I'd like to see you again. I mean it.
As my lady wishes.
A hug?
A hug.
Go well.
The battle line is drawn. Battle, I'm not gonna cease fire. I must win this battle. Giving up is never an option. I must win this battle. Giving up is never an option. I must take back what belongs to me. Giving up is never an option. It's not a crime to fight for what belongs to me. Giving up is never an option. Giving up is never an option. Giving up is never an option. I'm not a warrior and fighter. I am angry. My father was murdered in my presence. I am sad. He can't come to the war. Chebewamo. If you will nemo, I'm a boomer. I did not fall. Of what you are. Chebewamo. The battle line is drawn. Battle, I'm not gonna cease fire. I must win this battle.